How's it going, wealth builders? This is your king, and you're tuned into Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get right into it. Today, come and join me, your king, on a thrilling journey of self-improvement and financial empowerment. Wealth builders, living a life without rules can feel like sailing a ship without a compass. It's easy to lose direction and end up in a place you didn't want to be. But fear not, for I am here to provide you with the guiding principles you need, because we are going to discuss some rules that won't just improve your life, but also elevate your financial status. So, without further ado, prepare yourselves and let's get started. Alright, for our first rule in the list of ways to improve your life and financial status, let's focus on the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. Wealth builders, it's no secret that a positive outlook can have a profound impact on all aspects of our lives, including our financial health. When you approach life with a positive attitude, you create a magnetic force that attracts opportunities and opens doors you never even knew were there. Believe me, this rule can be a game changer when it comes to your financial well-being. You see, by staying positive and optimistic, you're more likely to approach financial decisions with a clear and rational mindset. This, in turn, can lead to financial stability and growth, setting you on a path to a brighter and more prosperous future. But maintaining a positive mindset is about more than just financial success. It's about creating a life that you love and are proud of. When you focus on the good in your life and express gratitude for what you have, you foster a sense of contentment and happiness that is priceless. So, the next time you find yourself faced with a financial decision or challenge, take a deep breath, focus on the positive, and remind yourself of the power of a positive mindset. With this approach, you'll be well on your way to not only improving your financial status, but also creating a life that is truly fulfilling and rewarding. Now, for our second rule in the list, let's talk about the importance of believing in yourself while also acknowledging your limitations. Wealth builders, it's a powerful thing to have faith in your abilities and to believe that you are capable of achieving great things. When you believe in yourself, you unlock a level of confidence and resilience that can propel you forward in all areas of your life, including your finances. However, it's also crucial to keep a healthy dose of realism in the mix. Here's a fact from your king. Acknowledging your limitations doesn't mean selling yourself short. It means being honest with yourself about where you can improve and taking steps to grow. In the realm of your financial life, this balance between self-belief and self-awareness is very, very essential. It's important to set ambitious financial goals that challenge and motivate you, but it's equally important to be realistic about what you can realistically achieve. I can assure you that by adding this rule to your life, which is being mindful of your limitations, you can create a financial plan that is both ambitious and achievable. This plan will push you to grow without causing you to overextend yourself. Alright, for our third rule, we have the importance of maintaining perspective. Life is a roller coaster ride filled with highs and lows, and it can be all too easy to become bogged down in the nitty-gritty of daily life. But by keeping a broader perspective, wealth builders, you can navigate through tough times with grace and come out stronger on the other side. It's about looking at the bigger picture and understanding that life is a journey, not a destination. When you maintain perspective, you can appreciate the good times more fully and find meaning and resilience in the face of challenges. This rule is particularly crucial when it comes to your financial life. The world of finance can be unpredictable, with markets going up and down and unexpected setbacks cropping up along the way. But by keeping your long-term financial goals in mind and maintaining perspective, you can stay focused on the bigger picture and not get thrown off course by short-term fluctuations. As your king, I ask you to take note of this. Investing and building wealth is a long-term game. By staying grounded and keeping your eyes on the horizon, you can navigate the financial ups and downs with confidence and poise, setting yourself up for long-term success and financial stability. Let's jump into the fourth rule, and it's all about the power of continuous education. Wealth builders, we've all heard the saying, knowledge is power, right? And there's a lot of truth to that. The more you know, the more prepared and confident you feel to tackle life's challenges head-on. Whether it's learning a new skill, staying up to date on current events, or deepening your understanding of a topic you're passionate about, continuous education is a cornerstone of personal growth and development. Like the other rules I mentioned earlier, this rule is also especially relevant when it comes to your financial life. The world of finance can be complex and ever-changing, with new investment opportunities and techniques, market trends, and economic indicators emerging all the time. And by making a commitment to stay informed and continuously educate yourself about financial matters, you empower yourself to make informed, strategic decisions that can positively impact your wealth over time. Please ingrain this into your mind, wealth builders, that investing in your knowledge is one of the best investments you can make. By prioritizing continuous education, I'll tell you, you are certainly setting yourself up for financial success and a life of growth and fulfillment. Now, we've reached the fifth and final rule on our list for today, and it is the practice of remembering the things that you are grateful for. Cultivating a sense of gratitude can have a profound impact on your outlook on life, wealth builders. It can shift your perspective, lift your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. When you take the time to appreciate the good things in your life, big and small, you foster a sense of contentment and joy that is truly priceless. What's the effect of that, you ask? Well, not only does it make your mood better, but it also washes away your negative thoughts. Pretty handy, right? Additionally, this rule also holds true when it comes to your financial life. By being grateful for what you have, you cultivate a healthy relationship with money and avoid the pitfall of constantly wanting more. It removes greediness that is inherent to human beings. Yes, I know, it's important to have financial goals and to strive for growth, but it's equally important to appreciate what you've already achieved and to find satisfaction in the present moment. I want you to remember this, wealth builders. True wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about living a life that is rich in experiences, relationships, and gratitude. So, as your king, I command you to take a moment to reflect on the things you're grateful for and let that sense of appreciation guide you towards a life of fulfillment and financial well-being. But before we end this episode, wealth builders, I want to ask you this question first. What are some other rules that you found helpful in improving your life and financial status? Let us know in the comments below. I would love to read them all. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.